god, shoes. It's not. Northstar just dropped off all these boxes for us to pack up our stuff in. We even got wardrobe boxes, which I'm so excited about because this will make moving our clothes so much easier. Check off where it's from, which makes it so easy when you're actually unpacking stuff and you forget what's all inside. Got all these boxes, which is so nice. All these different sizes. They even brought over some packing paper. Holy paper, oh my gosh. And look at all of this bubble wrap. Holy crap, this is so convenient. And these are like the rods for the wardrobe boxes, so we can just put them inside, and then that way we can just like keep our clothes all in the hangers. Pretty much what we are going to be doing all day. Actually, they also brought over some packing tape, which will be great because I always go through so much tape when I'm packing up stuff. We have a week ahead of us, but very excited. Northstar, you're the MVP. The time I've been dreading the most, packing up all of my beauty, skincare, hair care, all of the things. I just never know where to begin with it. Today is Monday. We move on Thursday, but Northstar just dropped off some moving supplies, which is so incredibly helpful. I've never had a moving company do that before, and I feel so prepared. I just lined this box. I wrote bathroom beauty products right here so that I can know what I'm unpacking, because I've forgotten that in the past, and it was not pleasant. As you can see, I have a mess of things already on my counter, but I think I'm just gonna go through these bins and start like throwing some stuff away. If there's anything that I don't use anymore. I did go through this like 6 months ago, so I feel like everything's pretty newish, but I can definitely get rid of some more things because I have way too many things. Bathroom time. Note to your future moving self. Don't pack the things that you use on a daily basis, especially your beauty products, all of that stuff that you're gonna be like looking for first in your boxes. Put that all in one box, and then everything else can go in other boxes. But start off with the things that I know I will not need this week. Non-essential under sink. One box down. Alright, my second box, I'm mainly packing my hair products, but I'm also now starting to do my skincare because I didn't have enough hair products to fill up the whole box. So I'm starting to fill the rest of this one with all of my skincare. These are the actual products that I use more on a daily basis. So I'm first gonna pick out the things that I won't need at least this week, because obviously, you know, I'm not gonna use all of these products this week. That would be a little concerning. And I also have this drawer of things that I use as well. So making progress. Also, I'm simultaneously getting rid of some things that I don't use, specifically a lot of the beauty products. I feel like as a rule of thumb, if I haven't used it in the last 6 months, then it just needs to go. So I'm trying to just like not think about it too much, because you guys know it's hard for me to part with things. Hand sanitizer, could always use more of that. These masks are so good, you guys. They actually work, you know what I mean? Well, that one is making some weird noises, so that's a no.
Take it away.
Oh my god, shoes.
For my girl.
Oh my god, shoes.
Maybe I'm overreacting to this whole thing. Being too dramatic, overthinking. Getting myself worked up over nothing.
Making progress. This is our bedroom.
There goes the security deposit.
It's already been gone, honestly. Oh yeah, so handy. Taking down the curtain rods. Oh yeah, we still need to take down these. Everything's all out of here. Alex did a number on everything, honestly. So I think we're getting rid of that media console. So I'm just gonna keep that here. And then we got some paintings to bring over. Well, the movers will bring that tomorrow. And then my coats. Looks like Alex cleaned out everything else. In the time that I've packed like 4 boxes, so love that. But I need to put these into some wardrobe hangers, like the wardrobe box that they brought over. Pretty much got all the boxes lined up for the move tomorrow, which is exciting. Are you ready to move tomorrow? Are you so ready for a new home? You need to shave your face, ma'am. Ma'am?
Heck, my razor.
No. Right now, I think we're just gonna bring a couple rounds over to the new apartment just so that we can like load up the car with the smaller things. I'm placing some heavier things in some like overnight bags that I have just so that it's like easier to transport, and then probably just like do that a couple times today. I still need to load up my suitcase as well. I also have like 5 garbage bags full of things that I'm bringing over to my Poshmark girl's house later this afternoon. I have some donation stuff I need to drop off, and what else? Some like Amazon returns. So we still have a lot of things to do today before we move tomorrow, but I'm so excited to move.
Moving is exhausting.
I love this sound. I'm literally on a step stool right now. You know, these boxes are just so tall. The only thing was I got it. These are the wardrobe boxes that they brought over a couple days ago. I haven't put any of my clothes in it yet, but figured the night before moving I should probably put my clothes in it. I think one of you asked me in my moving Q&A how you move with clothes. This is the easiest way. So if you're using a mover, I highly recommend ask for some wardrobe boxes. It looks like that on the inside, and then you literally just put your clothes in here.
Wow, it's still
I mean, I'm surprised it didn't happen sooner. Ow. I packed all my trash cans, so now I'm like, where do I throw things away? You know? Whoa, I've never realized the words clothes and closet are so similar. It's gonna keep me up at night. Moving day. Update, upon further investigation, aka Alex telling me how to do it, this is actually how you're supposed to use the wardrobe box. This comes down all the way, so it's so much easier to just throw them in. You can actually see it, and you don't have to shove it in there. The more you know.
too scared, baby. Maybe I just thought you
My scarves fell and Ollie was already trying to snuggle them. My little baby. Shove these in here. Why not? See?
got me going crazy. Every time you walk through the door, no matter how much you give me, always leave me wanting more.
So empty in here. Northstar is so fast. They've packed up like all of our apartment already. Just got my mirror, my pride and joy, and my pampas grass. Honestly, like pretty much it. Besides some of our plants and our patio stuff, they're so fast.
This shit's, we're not bringing the chair.
No.
You know how much dust is? Picked up off the floor. That was underneath her bed.
It's disgusting. It's so weird to see my closet so empty. Weird.
Feeling good, but I don't wanna jump the gun, babe. I don't wanna be misunderstood. I'm not trying to rush this whole thing. I wanna make sure it all feels right. Can't you see I need you in my life? I don't know, babe.
Attempting to set up the spectrum for the first time in my life.
You better work, bitch.
You want a Maserati? You want Postmates?
You want the 10 of greens?
You better work. Are these even part of it? Like, do you need to plug these in?
Yeah.
Okay. So does this need to be twisted all the way, or can it just be twisted a little bit? Why does it say it's red? Fail.
You better talk nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, pick you up when I leave.
Big bag, I'm in it, I get it, I got it. Going north, not south, cause I rise when I rap. Bars on flex, let me show you what I'm about. Young black boy from the Ville, I get my city clout. Do you know singing and rapping? Tell your bro I show you passion. As a young and they was laughing, now they in the street. Bumping my tunes and singing my songs to me. I'm anything and everything your girl wants you to be. Pulling up from three, pulling up and talking shit.
Delish.
All up on my way, they wanna get.
Does that look good for you? Or we can push it more. I don't know how you want it, because I don't want to fall, but we push more. Like, so it's not so angled, or?
Yeah, that's like perfect.
That's perfect?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, thank you so much.
No problem. Is there anything else we could do for you, bud?
I think that's everything, honestly. The movers have officially left, which means I need to like actually figure out where to put everything. Great! Where do I begin? you know, got a lot of bathroom storage to do and also my closet. I think I'm gonna start with my closet and then move over to the bathroom storage once I get bored of the closet, and then like go back to the closet because I just get bored easily. I feel like this shirt turned pink in the dryer. It's like not even white.
Of course I'm at the drop on up to see you. 2 hours is nothing, 2K was a bit too much for my heart, hands up. Feel me down, let me so cold.
Looks so good.
I don't know if we should move it back so it's like with the couch.
I know it's weird because it's like,
Because it's not big enough. And then like,
I don't know
it'll
what.
be more like brown up here.
More brown where?
Like,
Oh.
it'll be more like wood. Let's just
Yeah,
try it.
because you'll have
Let's
a
just try
coffee
something
table
real
right
quick.
here too.
Let's just try something real quick. Can you lift this up? Pretty?
Yeah.
Think that looks better?
Probably.
Think it needs to be in more?
I don't know. I need to like.
Hold on, let's just play with it.
Then you came around and girl, you finally gave me something. And I don't wanna be a cliche, but kissing you, babe, I'm on my knees, you're praying, you gotta stay.
But are those like lined up or is this like silly?
They don't have to be, but I just did it. I
Yeah,
think
I
maybe
still feel
like,
it's like too heavy right here. Can you just switch those two to see what that looks like?
I know what you're going through, cause I probably
I
don't.
think it's throwing me off because it's not as like spread out as
it's not
that
gonna be
wall.
cohesive. It doesn't need to be so rigid in here. Like,
I'm not saying it needs to be rigid. I just gives me anxiety being on the top of two small.
otherwise, I
ones.
could put
I
the.
almost feel like that needs to be on the bottom, the
I can-
heaviest one visually.
Yeah, that's why I had it over there.
Like, because that just looks like it's gonna like fall in.
Or I can kind of go like this to space it out.
Do we need to get another one?
Maybe like another one right here.
Yeah. Like that size or something? Something like that so it takes up more of the horizontal space because there's so much wall. Success!